Stop scrolling. Looking for an affordable drone camera but don't want to waste your money? You're in the right place. I've found 5 of the best budget-friendly drones that offer impressive camera quality, great features, and excellent value for the price. Watch till the end to discover which low-cost drone is the perfect choice for you. Number 1. DJI Neo Mini 4K Self-Flying Drone. Taking the number 1 spot on our list is the DJI Neo, one of the most beginner-friendly and portable drones ever created. Weighing just 135 grams, this ultra-light drone combines smart flight technology, stunning 4K video, and hands-free operation in an incredibly compact design. The DJI Neo features a 4K UHD camera that captures sharp, vibrant videos and high-quality photos with excellent detail. Thanks to DJI's advanced stabilization technology, your footage stays smooth and professional-looking, whether you're walking, hiking, cycling, or exploring new places. One of its biggest highlights is palm takeoff and landing. Simply place the drone on your hand, and it can launch or land without needing a traditional controller. Number 4. DJI Flip Fly More Combo with RC2. The DJI Flip Fly More Combo is the perfect drone for creators who want powerful camera performance, intelligent flight features, and maximum flying time in one premium package. Designed for beginners and experienced pilots alike, it delivers a smooth and exciting flying experience. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera, the DJI Flip records incredibly sharp videos with rich colors and stunning detail. Whether you're capturing travel adventures, family moments, cinematic landscapes, or social media content, every video looks smooth and professional thanks to DJI's advanced stabilization technology. One of its standout features is palm takeoff, allowing the drone to launch directly from your hand without any complicated setup. It's fast, simple, and perfect for capturing spontaneous moments wherever you are. The included DJI RC2 Smart Controller features a bright built-in display, so you can start flying immediately without connecting your smartphone. It offers a clear live view, responsive controls, and a more convenient flying experience from takeoff to landing. Safety is another major advantage with the intelligent auto-return feature, which automatically brings the drone back when the battery is low or the signal is interrupted. Combined with DJI's intelligent flight technology, every flight feels safer, smoother, and easier to control. The Fly More combo includes 3 intelligent batteries, providing an incredible up to 93 minutes of total flight time. That means more time exploring, filming, and creating, without constantly stopping to recharge. Despite its powerful features, the DJI Flip remains compact and portable, making it easy to carry on vacations, hiking trips, road trips, and outdoor adventures. Its lightweight design ensures you're always ready to capture amazing aerial footage wherever inspiration strikes. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo with DJI RC. Equipped with a powerful 4K HDR camera, the DJI Mini 3 captures stunning videos with vibrant colors, sharp details, and an impressive dynamic range. Whether you're filming breathtaking landscapes, travel adventures, family memories, or social media content, every shot looks smooth and cinematic thanks to DJI's advanced stabilization technology. One of its biggest advantages is its ultra-lightweight design, weighing less than 249 grams, making it incredibly easy to carry wherever your adventures take you. Its compact size fits easily into a backpack, making it ideal for vacations, hiking, camping, and outdoor photography. The Fly More combo includes 3 intelligent flight batteries, delivering an incredible up to 114 minutes of total flight time. This allows you to spend more time capturing amazing aerial footage and less time worrying about recharging. The included DJI RC Smart Controller features a bright built-in display, allowing you to fly immediately without connecting your smartphone. It provides responsive controls, a clear live view, and a more convenient flying experience from takeoff to landing. Number 2. DJI Avata 360 Fly More Combo. The The DJI Avata 360 Fly More combo is designed for creators who want to capture immersive 360-degree aerial content with flagship image quality and an exciting FPV flying experience. Combining advanced camera technology with DJI's intelligent flight system, this drone is built for professional-level content creation. At the heart of the drone is its powerful 1-inch equivalent 360-degree imaging system, capable of recording breathtaking 8K 360-degree video at up to 60 FPS HDR. Every flight captures incredible detail, vibrant colors, and a wide dynamic range, allowing you to create immersive videos that can be viewed from every angle. Whether you're filming travel adventures, action sports, real estate, or cinematic landscapes, the DJI Avata 360 delivers smooth, professional-quality footage that's perfect for YouTube, virtual reality experiences, and social media. The included DJI RC2 Smart Controller features a bright built-in display, giving you a clear live view and responsive controls without needing to connect your smartphone. This makes flying faster, easier, and more convenient from takeoff to landing. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 6 Enhanced Combo. Taking the number 1 spot on our list is the DJI Osmo Action 6 Enhanced Combo, a premium action camera built for creators, travelers, and adventure enthusiasts who want professional quality video, outstanding durability, and incredible versatility. Powered by a large 1.1-inch square sensor, the Osmo Action 6 captures stunning 8K video with exceptional detail, rich colors, and impressive dynamic range. Whether you're filming extreme sports, travel adventures, underwater scenes, or daily vlogs, every shot looks cinematic and incredibly sharp. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. To purchase this product, the link is given in the description. Click on it and bring this product into your use today.